Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget for your study abroad tuition with Citibank, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by determining the total cost of your study abroad tuition.
Research the specific tuition fees for your chosen program and institution.
Include additional costs, such as application fees, textbooks, and materials.
Next, evaluate your current financial situation.
Gather information on your income, savings, and any scholarships or grants you may have. Identify potential sources of funding, such as student loans or sponsorships. Visit the Citibank website to explore their financial products tailored for students.
Consider applying for a student loan through Citibank if needed.
Review the loan terms, including interest rates and repayment options.
Create a detailed budget that outlines all your expenses. Allocate specific amounts for tuition, housing, and living costs. Factor in fluctuating costs, like daily expenses or entertainment. Open a dedicated bank account with Citibank to manage your study abroad funds. Set up automatic transfers to ensure consistent savings toward your tuition. Monitor your budget regularly to track your expenses and adjust as needed. Identify areas where you can cut costs, such as dining or transportation. Start saving early to alleviate financial pressure as your study abroad date approaches. Consider earning extra income through part-time work or internships. Explore currency exchange rates if you'll be paying tuition in a different currency. Utilize financial planning tools offered by Citibank to stay organized. Stay informed about deadlines for tuition payments and scholarship applications. Reach out to financial advisors at Citibank for personalized assistance. Review your budget and financial plan periodically to ensure you are on track. Taking these steps will help you budget effectively for your study abroad tuition with Citibank.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.